Welcome, fellow curious minds. Today, we're delving into a fascinating hypothetical scenario. What if Earth's gravitational field were as weak as the moon's? Picture this: a world where the force that once glued us firmly to the ground is now just a fraction of what it used to be. Our journey begins with a simple question. How much do you think you would weigh on this low-gravity Earth? Leave your answer in the comments below. Perhaps you'd feel light as a feather, or maybe you'd still feel the pull of the ground beneath you. In this alternate reality, Earth's gravitational field weakens, equating to that of the moon. Imagine that. Gravity on the surface would be only about 1/6 of what we're used to. So, if you weigh 60 kilograms on Earth, you would weigh only 10 kilograms on this low-gravity Earth. In this alternate reality, life as we know it would be profoundly different. The sensation of lightness would be exhilarating, transforming the mundane into the extraordinary. Imagine, with just a little leap, you could touch your ceiling, or with a running start, clear your entire house in a single bound. Yet, as we float and frolic in this low-gravity world, we'd soon recognize the need for new norms in architecture. Our buildings, no longer under the same downward force, could reach for the stars, becoming taller, more slender, and more innovative than ever before. But these towering structures would face their own challenges. The Earth's altered atmosphere could result in stronger winds and more violent storms. Our architects would need to engineer buildings not just for vertical prowess, but also for resilience against these lateral forces. So, while the prospect of high jumps and lighter steps is thrilling, it comes with the daunting challenge of building in a windier, stormier world. Meanwhile, sports and recreational activities would also evolve. Picture this: basketball games now featuring unprecedented high jumps and gravity-defying slam dunks. But it's not all slam dunks and high fives. Sports like golf and soccer could see a downturn as the altered ball trajectory and reduced speed disrupt the essence of these games. Now let's shift gears and talk about transportation. Hold on tight, because we're in for a revolution. Cars might evolve into lightweight pods, gliding effortlessly through the reduced gravitational field, wings or propellers, taking to the skies and making traffic congestion obsolete. However, this airborne utopia comes with its own set of challenges. The risk of collisions and accidents could increase, potentially becoming more lethal in this low-gravity environment. So, while we'd be zooming around in our flying cars, we'd also need advanced safety measures to protect us. Transportation would undergo a revolution, but with new risks to navigate. Our astronauts would need to adjust their training accordingly. The reduced Earth gravity would make the moon's gravity feel stronger in contrast. This would necessitate heavier suits and equipment to adapt to the new conditions. Moreover, space travel would require more fuel and energy for launching and landing. However, there's a silver lining. Astronauts would have an easier time exploring other celestial bodies with similar or lower gravity than Earth's. Switching gears, let's talk about agriculture. The weakened gravity would alter plant growth significantly. Farmers would need to adopt new techniques to cater to these conditions. Some plants might grow taller and thinner, while others might become shorter and thicker. The effects wouldn't stop at plants, though. Even animals might change their behavior and appearance due to the reduced gravity. This fascinating thought experiment has shown us just how much our lives and world are shaped by the force of gravity.